now we are heading towards Azim's studio. Girls are ready. I gave Husnain a look, an image जो मेरे mind में थी, how I wanted them to look alike today. And I think Husnain ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया होगा और एक जो Indian image था, एक Indian bride का. Let's see क्या होता है. Girls have reached already and कपड़े आपने देख लिए हैं. You guys have an idea of what kind of dresses and what kind of shoot I'm gonna do today. Or I don't do bridal. It's always a mix, bridal formal kind of mix, and I hope I do a good job. Guys, we have reached at Azim's studio, so let's see what's cooking up inside. Come. Hello girls, how are you?
How are you?
क्या हाल है? How are you? Look at you guys. Look at my girls, by the way. Aren't they looking gorgeous? Husnain did a wonderful job. Where is Husnain? Acha, he must be here somewhere.
Hussain.
I have, sorry, Hussain. Amna always corrects me. I am very bad with names, by the way. Amna, is there anything in your mind about the shoot? कुछ तुमने पूछना है या कुछ ऐसी बात? Are you happy with the hairstyle and everything?
Yes, we are happy with the hairstyles, and now we're excited for Sam's shoot because he's going to make us Indian bridal. So
Yeah.
we're very excited.
और उर्सला आप बताइए आप कैसा फील कर रही हैं?
और
ये दोनों मेरे साथ
हैं, हमें बहुत ही इंडियन लुक है और ये मेरा जो गेटअप है ये फर्स्ट टाइम किया है. अब देखें कैसा लगता है.
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा इंशाल्लाह. इन दोनों के साथ मैंने पहले 2-3 दफ़ा काम किया हुआ है. आमना did my vamp lot of times and then she did my 2 covers and then even Ursula did my cover with me, international cover. She did international fashion week with me. और अभी जो बहरीन का शो मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा था, आमना बाबर इज़ माई शो स्टॉपर इन बहरीन. So we all are very excited about
Yes,
it.
we are.
So let's start the shoot. I'm gonna give them the first change. As you can see, Ursula is ready. She's almost ready. और कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत डिफरेंट लग रहा है. और आपने सुना कि इस तरह का शूट जो है वो मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है.
अच्छा, ये रानी हार जो है ये मुझे आपने किसी न किसी शूट में ज़रूर ऐड करना था. आई एम ह्यूज फैन ऑफ ऑल दीज रानी हार्स and the ethnic style and all the Indian jewelry, and I get these inspiration from Raj Gharana India. तो उस थीम पे सारा काम किया हुआ है. As you can see the work is very Raj Gharana kind of thing, very Mughlai kind of work. और Amna is she's almost done and she's getting ready. Husnain has done really good work. I'm very happy. I'm standing with one of my very favorite makeup artists, Husnain. As you can see, he has done amazing job with the jewelry setting and with the makeup and the hair.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
How do you like my collection?
Very nice. Superb, outstanding, fantastic.
He did my entire makeup and styling for my video as well, which you saw on the Bridal Couture Week. And I wanted to thank him, लेकिन इतनी जल्दी मेरे साथ I'm thanking him on the screen, by the way, on Style 360. We are just done with the shoot. It was not that hectic actually.
It wasn't hectic at all.
Yeah. So we all had a great time. Azim Sani, we all know he is one of the best photographers we have in Pakistan these days from the new lot. And Husnain is a brilliant makeup artist. And I'm really craving for coffee now.
Me too.
So I've asked Amna to let's go and have coffee. You come with us, have a sip. लोग समझते हैं कि it's very easy being a designer. Now you've seen it's very tough. even being a model, I think it's very tough, especially when there's no electricity, when there's no air condition in your studio, and then working for continuously 2-3 hours and wearing such heavy outfits. So it's a very tough job. Girls out there who wants to become models, they should know that it's just not a piece of cake. We really put hard work, and but you know, जब वही जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, जब शूट हो जाता है, हम बाद में जब मैगजीन्स में या टेलीविज़न पे देखते हैं, तो वो क्या है ना कि सारी जो आपकी इतनी एफर्ट्स होती हैं, वो इतनी जो पेन से आप गुजरते हैं, देन वो याद नहीं आती हैं, बिकॉज यू लुक सो गुड एंड योर प्रोडक्ट लुक सो गुड ऑन मैगजीन्स. I told you guys that Amir Mazhar supposed to join me for coffee, but he ditched me because he's not well. He's still at home, so I think I'm gonna be with him next time when he will spend a day with me. And me and Amna will be with you guys for coffee. And I think it's gonna be more fun with me and Amna, because she, not that Amir Mazhar is less of a fun person, he is full of fun, and but he's not well, so let's pray that he gets well soon.
Inshallah.
We are at Cinnabon Cafe. I told you it's one of my favorite cafes here. Whenever I'm tired or whenever I'm feeling zombie or something, I come here and I have my favorite vanilla latte. So you wanna order something? Let's order. Viewers, the coffee is here. We are finally done, and it was a hectic day, but I hope you enjoyed the Style 360 day with Saim today. And Amna is loving her strawberry shake, and I'm loving my vanilla latte. I had a great time with you all, with all you guys, and hope to see you soon. Thank you so much, and keep watching Style 360.